point. Let's see what happens. Rose in Minnesota. Rose, how are you? I would say Minnesota can be in play this year, too.
Oh, gosh, I hope so. We gotta go until Republican. This is so sad. Hey, great job last night, Sean. Great job. You know, I was wondering, is it possible, do you think, that they're going to keep Biden in to the very last minute, and they're going to get the doctors who says, you know, he's got dementia or something's wrong with him, and then put anybody they want in so that person can then skip all the debate, skip all the anything, and just kind of slide right in, and people so impressed they're going to vote for that person?
Listen, I put nothing past anything that the Democrats will do last minute. I mean, I'm telling you right now, it's not if, it's what. There will be October surprises. They'll do anything to win, but they did that the last time, and we shocked the world. Right now, the experts are all saying Donald Trump can't win. Donald Trump can't win. I don't believe that. I don't believe that at all. They said that all the last time. They got it all wrong the last time. There is a level of arrogance and they're so overconfident because they really have convinced themselves in the media mob that they have successfully transformed the minds and hearts of the American people, and that they have, so successfully bloodied this guy up that, a ghost. Well, it's really a ghost. The ghost of Biden, the weak, confused, confounded, former vice president, a shadow of his former self. But you know what? We haven't factored in one little thing here, is we the people get a say. And I would even say that we need every single vote will matter. Look at it that way. Every single swing state matters. And if you have that mindset that we got 2 minutes left, we're behind by 6, and we got to cross the plane, Linda has no idea what that means, and kick the extra point to win, then I think that will create sufficient urgency. And you can always think of it this way, and I'll give you the last word, Rose, in a second. Imagine the mob, if they have to ever utter the words we can now project. Donald J. Trump has been reelected the 45th president of the United States. Imagine them choking on that, because that's what will happen. Last word. Go ahead.
Okay, I just know you used to say people are smart. You always said that people are smart. I don't think so. Look at Minneapolis. Look at what they're doing. That is not smart. So thank you, and great job.
Well,